There are several different ways that you can add YouTube videos to your Schoology courses. So I'm going to show you a couple of those right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is just go into my YouTube studio. I'm going to choose a video and I'm going to copy the link to the video. So I'm just going to click the three dots and I'm going to say Get Shareable Link. And now in Schoology, I'm going to click to just add a file link or an external tool, and I'm going to click link and just paste the link, and I'll call this link. Now, anytime I'm adding a link in Schoology, whether it's for YouTube or to an outside website, always uncheck display in Schoology. If you don't, I'll show you what it does in a minute, but it makes an annoying extra step for the students. So if I click add, when this link is added and the student clicks on it, it is going to take them to the video, but it opens it either in a separate window, or if they happen to be on one of their personal devices, like their cell phone, it's going to open it in a separate app. So this is not the ideal, because if you do it this way, the student does have to leave your Schoology course to view the video, and it'd be better if we could watch it directly in the course. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. Number one, I have that link copied. So what I can do is, instead of saying add link or external tool, I can choose import from resources. And I'm going to choose apps, and the app is YouTube. So now I'm going to paste that URL, and I'm going to hit enter or the search, and it finds the video. It always comes up with two, not sure why. Just click one of them and say import as embed. What that's going to do is it took the video and embedded it. So when the student clicks to play it, it's going to play directly in Schoology and they don't leave the class. So that's a nice option. You can also embed videos like that in folders. So if I'm in a folder and I maybe write something about the folder, maybe I do text, you can add all kinds of stuff into a folder, but if I say insert content, I could say YouTube video. I'm going to paste it. Again, say import as embed, and that is going to be shown like this. Here's the folder and here's what's inside the folder. You can also embed in an assignment or even in a test or a quiz. In an assignment, the icon, just like with a folder, test assignment, just going to say make a category for my assignment and just say okay. And in my assignment, oops, I guess I did a quiz here. But anywhere that you see this, you can do this in an assignment or a test or quiz, you can click and say insert content, and you'll be able to link your content. From the web here, I would do the link. So let's go back one. In an assignment, it goes like this. And your insert here would be from YouTube, just like this. So if you add it this way, it is going to be embedded. Now, the downfall for this type of embedding of a YouTube video is this. If you go to insert a YouTube video, I'm going to say import from resources. I'm going to choose YouTube. And if I go back to my YouTube channel and I make my video unlisted, which is what we're really recommending, a lot of teachers like to have unlisted videos so that they're not searchable in YouTube. When you go now to click the shareable link and you go to insert this, sorry, I keep doing that, into YouTube, and I hit search, it often cannot find the videos. It's actually showing it right now, but oftentimes, like if I go to, I have some other unlisted videos here, like this one, it's not going to find my unlisted video. And so I can't embed it. And so that becomes a problem for me. So what I can do is a shortcut around that is you can say, make it public real quick and hit save, do your shareable link, add it to YouTube. And then once you've embedded it into YouTube like I did, you're going to go back in, and now I'm going to change and make it public or private again, or excuse me, I did the wrong one. I'm going to click and make it unlisted again. If you can add it and make it unlisted, it will still play in Schoology. So that's kind of the little workaround. If your videos are unlisted and you want to embed them into Schoology, you do need to then go back and choose to make them public, embed them, and then make them unlisted after they're already embedded. I know that's a bad workaround right now. Schoology is working to fix that, and they did assure us that coming shortly, the embedded videos you'll be able to paste the link even if it's an unlisted video, and you'll still be able to work. But until then, that is the workaround for that. There's one other way that you can do videos. If I click to play a video, so for instance, let's say that I actually go to my channel. I'm kind of in the middle of, but let me just go back to my channel. So if I'm looking at my YouTube channel and I go and I actually hit to play a video like this one and I hit the share button, actually let me click. Let me just get to one and I'm going to hit stop so you don't have to see it. But if you view this in YouTube and you click share here, you do get a lot more options than you used to. And one of the options, you can copy the URL like we have been doing, but you can also get an embed code. And what you can do is copy your embed code. And you can even choose to start the video at a certain point if you don't want maybe it to show the entire video. But copy your embed code. And then in Schoology, you can click Insert Add File Link or External Tool. And when you choose Link, you can paste, I'm going to right click and hit Paste, the actual embed code. So I'm going to say Embed Code just so we see what it looks like. And I'm going to say Add. When I click on this, now the video can also be viewed in Schoology this way. So there, again, multiple ways to add YouTube videos into Schoology. The key is that the videos have to be public when you add them, and then turn them back to unlisted after you've already added them into Schoology.